Hello everyone. If you have pets or someone in your life who has long hair, you know how difficult it is for regular vacuums to keep everything clean. So today, let's look at a vacuum that's specifically engineered to really suck, the Dyson V6 Animal cordless vacuum. So before we take a look at what's inside the box, I wanted to show you the outside of the box. Now again, this is the Dyson V6 Animal, and the company says that this cordless vacuum is specifically engineered to do especially well when cleaning homes and cars and furniture where there's lots of pet hair. In fact, they say that this particular cordless vacuum bests some of the top best-selling full-size corded vacuums. And this particular cordless vacuum has 75% more brush power than the Dyson V6. And as you can see on the tin, it says Dyson suction power without the hassle of a cord. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. You get the motor and the dirt canister. You get the extension wand. You get the motorized cleaning head. You get 3 smaller extension brushes. You get the power charger, documentation, and a wall mount. Now putting everything together is really easy. You take the motor, you take the extension wand, and you slide them together until it clicks. Then you do the same thing for the cleaning head. Now, you simply press the trigger to vacuum. If you'd like to exchange out the motorized head for maybe a crevice tool or something, maybe if you want to clean a crevice on the wall, simply press the button, this pops off, and then this slides on until it clicks, and you're good to go. And one thing I'll point out, this is fairly balanced. There's a little bit of weight here to counteract the weight of the wand, so it's very easy to hold up the wand in case you want to vacuum something that's high up. Also, if you don't need the extension wand, you can easily remove that and then pop in, say, the smaller cleaning brush in case you need to take this out to your car or vacuum out the upholstery on your furniture. The vacuum even comes with a smaller soft bristle brush in case you need to, say, vacuum out your computer keyboard. The vacuum comes with a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. To charge the battery, simply plug in one end of the plug and then plug this into the wall. While you're free to charge the vacuum by directly plugging in the wall charger, you can also mount the charger onto the wall if that's more convenient. You simply thread the charger through the wall mount, and this plug will come out of this opening. And so, when you're ready to charge your vacuum, you can simply slide it in place, and it will be mounted on your wall and charging. That way it's very convenient. You know the vacuum is always charged and ready to go, so whenever you need to use it, you simply remove it from its wall hanger. And to see the vacuum in use, now just wanted to show you, you can see here in this clear dirt chamber some white fluff that has been collected just from me in this short amount of time vacuuming this carpet. And this is after me vacuuming with a regular corded vacuum cleaner. And so whenever you're ready to empty the dirt container, you simply press down on this red lever and the dirt comes out. Click back into place when done. During normal operation, this vacuum cleaner sucks really well, better than any vacuum I've ever had, including corded vacuums. But I do want to point out that there's a max boost button here that actually boosts the amount of suction above normal operation for those particularly troublesome spots. On the top of the motor, there is a small filter which should be cleaned under cold water about once a month or so. And this vacuum is really light. All in all, I'm really happy with this vacuum. It vacuums really well. It really helps, especially because not only do I have long hair, but I also have lots of pets. And so this really helps to keep everything clean. It transitions well from carpet to hardwood floors. You don't have to click any special switches or anything like some other vacuum cleaners. And it easily transitions from normal, vacuum mode with the extension wand into a handheld device. So I can take it out in the car, clean out the seats, I can clean it out the cushions in the sofa. It's very useful and flexible. The only real limitation that I found with this vacuum cleaner so far is the limited battery life. The company says you can get up to 20 minutes of use on a single charge. Now, in practice, that really depends on the brush that you're using and whether you're using the boost mode or not. On average, I found that I got a little bit less than 20 minutes of use per charge. That means if you want to vacuum the house, you're going to have to do it in stages, a couple rooms at a time. And to charge the vacuum cleaner back up, it takes about 3.5 hours. So I hope this review of the Dyson V6 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has been helpful to you. Check down in the description box below this video for a link for pricing and availability. If you'd like to see another review video that I made, click right over there. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any more videos coming your way soon. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Hello everyone. If you have pets or someone in your life who has long hair, you know how difficult it is for regular vacuums to keep everything clean. So today, let's look at a vacuum that's specifically engineered to really suck. The Dyson V6 Animal Cordless Vacuum. So before we take a look at what's inside the box, I wanted to show you the outside of the box. Now again, this is the Dyson V6 Animal, and the company says that this cordless vacuum is specifically engineered to do especially well when cleaning homes and